These are the iClarified instructions on how to find the IMEI number of your iPhone 13. Let's begin. Tap to launch settings from your springboard, then choose General from the Settings menu. Select About from the General menu, then scroll down to find your IMEI number displayed. You may have two IMEI numbers if your device supports dual SIMs. Alternatively, you can find your IMEI using the dialer. Launch phone from your springboard, then dial *#06# using the keypad. Your IMEI number will be displayed on the screen. If you're unable to use one of the earlier methods, you can also find your IMEI printed on the SIM card tray. Please see the text version of this tutorial for more details, and remember to follow or subscribe to iClarified for more Apple news, videos, and tutorials.